This is your new creative command center. Edit documents and code in real time. Get smart, in-context suggestions. Highlight and rewrite sections instantly. Drop comments like a pro editor and iterate without ever losing your flow. Meet ChatGPT Canvas. Canvas is an interactive space where you can collaborate with ChatGPT. To access, click on the toolbar here, and then the Canvas icon. In this case, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to summarize the transcript from a webinar that we ran last year. Just to get a little look at what I'm uploading, this is the transcript. It's pretty dense right now, but ChatGPT is going to sum either into an adjustable format for us. The new window will pop up when you're in Canvas. This is the space where you'll interact line by line with ChatGPT. We've trained GPT-4o to be a creative partner that's going to excel in coding and writing. I can collaborate in this space with ChatGPT by making changes and edits directly within the canvas. I can come through here, edit titles, making it a collaborative space. Next, I want ChatGPT to turn this summary into a first draft of an ebook while adding in recommendations and improvements where possible. Something like this would normally take me quite a while. I would need to read up on the transcript, I would need to sort it into sections, and then need to rewrite it. But here I can have a first draft in a matter of seconds. In Canvas, we can ask questions on specific sections of the text. So I'm going to ask for this section here, can I get some more statistics and it is some consulting articles that I could potentially add into this in the second draft. Now, on the left-hand sidebar here, you can see search is going off and it's searching the web, consolidating the data, and even coming through and providing some citations to read. When we hover over them, we can see exactly which parts and what websites it's referencing. Canvas also has the ability to write shortcuts to expedite your editing. So you can edit directly and ask for edit suggestions, you could ask for just the length, reading level, final polish, or even some fun emojis. Thanks for watching. If you're excited to unlock even more AI tools and productivity hacks, check out our channel to learn about the latest features in ChatGPT and beyond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a future update. Big things are coming, and you won't want to miss them.